Okay, this here is a Resolve multi-tool. It has the scissors, which are sharp. I need to sharpen them more though, because I don't. I've cut hard plastic with them and stuff lately, so yeah, they're dulling down. But then there's the knife with the gator teeth. But I don't like the gator teeth knife that much, and it's pretty loose. So there's that. And then there's the saw, which can cut like about a 2-inch piece of wood. It's not all that great. Then there's this wrench. It's about 4 inches long. It stretches open to about 100 millimeters, and it's stainless steel, which isn't the best in the world. But then there's the Phillips screwdriver, the flathead, and then there's the bottle opener with the flathead made on the top. And then you got three of your most common sized Allen wrenches, which is 6 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. And then over here you got a light, and then it just snaps off. Yeah, it's pretty neat, but you just gotta watch it and snap it off. And then there's this. It comes off not that easy, which is good, so you don't lose your little wrench. Holds it in there pretty good. And then, yeah, there it is.